All right, you're gonna have your 3 strips about this long, cut with a V cut in the middle. So those are ready before I start taping the thumb. So first we're gonna do our anchor strip. Have your athlete make a fist. And each time I go around, I'm cutting the tape. Go up by half. And do 3. Then I have that athlete act like they're shaking my hand, but keep their finger relaxed and their thumb. We're gonna make a thumb spica. So the V goes up against the thumb. We cross over the first MP joint and the second one. And then we do 3, the other 2 the same way. So we're making a crisscross over that top joint. And when you're finished, notice that you do 1 strip at a time so it's nice and tight, but not too tight. And then at the end, we close off the ends of the tape.